What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 28, these money mistakes. Mistake number 1, living beyond your means, spending more than you earn. Recipe for disaster, track your expenses and stick to a budget. Mistake number 2, neglecting an emergency fund. Life happens, save 3 to 6 months of expenses, you'll thank yourself later. Mistake number 3, ignoring debt. Debt doesn't disappear. Tackle high-interest debt first and pay more than the minimum. Mistake number 4, not investing early. Time is money, start small, stay consistent. Compound interest is your friend. Mistake number 5, lack of financial education. Knowledge is power. Read, watch, learn. Arm yourself with financial literacy. So dodge these mistakes and watch your wealth grow. Subscribe for more money tips. Stay savvy, folks. This is why you're still broke. Time to change that. 1. Impulse buying. Think before you swipe. 2. Not budgeting. Track every dollar. 3. Ignoring debt. Face it head on. 4. Living paycheck to paycheck. Build an emergency fund. 5. Not investing. Make your money work for you. 6. Using credit cards recklessly. Spend only what you can pay off. 7. Keeping up with the Joneses. Focus on your goals. 8. Not saving for retirement. Plan for future you. 9. Overlooking small expenses. They add up fast. 10. Neglecting financial education. Knowledge is power. Break these habits. And watch your wealth grow. Subscribe for more tips. Everybody is looking for the secret to wealth. What if I told you it's all in your mindset? The rich think long-term. They invest in assets, not just income. Poor mindset focuses on immediate gratification. Rich mindset embraces risk. They see opportunity where others see danger. Poor mindset avoids risk. Fear holds them back. Rich focus on growth, constant learning, adapting, evolving. Poor mindset stays stagnant. Change feels like a threat. Rich network strategically. They build relationships, not just contacts. Poor mindset ignores the power of connections. Rich control their money. They budget, save, and invest wisely. Poor mindset lets money control them. Spending without planning. Switch your mindset. Think like the rich. Invest, embrace risk, focus on growth, network, and control your finances. You've got the power. Start today. Be the master of your financial destiny. Subscribe for more tips on mastering your money. And remember, it's all in the mindset. Everybody is looking for that golden ticket to success. What if I told you it's all within your reach? Millionaire habits aren't as mysterious as you think. First up, they read a lot. Knowledge is power. Next, they exercise regularly. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind. Journaling? Absolutely. They set clear goals and track progress. They wake up early. More time equals more opportunities. Networking is essential. Connections open doors. They invest wisely. Money makes money. They prioritize continuous learning. Never stop growing. They practice gratitude. A positive mindset attracts success. Finally, they embrace failure. Each setback is a setup for a comeback. Now it's your turn to adopt these habits and watch your dreams take flight. Remember, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Go out there and create your own success story.